Libra, let's get into it. Libra energy. Libras, I think at the time of this video, the moon is in Libra, but correct me if I'm wrong. If it's not in Libra right now, then that means it's in Scorpio. But here nor there. I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. We're about to get messy because I have the vibe check deck out here, you heard? So it is what it is. I'm going to be spilling the tea. I'm going to get in your business. Trigger warning. Let's set it off, spirit. What do we have here? What am I grabbing? Pause as well. Escape. Running. She's a runner. She's a track star. Something like that, right? That's a song, y'all. That's a song. I think it is anyway. I know I heard it somewhere before. What else do we have here? What's this? Hopeful, inspired, optimistic, success. What's this? Thrills, continued cycles. What else? What else, spirit? Yeah, give it to me. Pause. Sipping tea. I told you the tea coming out. Sipping tea. Gossip, rumors. Someone's being nosy. Someone is being nosy. Give me something else, spirit. Shattered, broken nightmares, failures. There's more to this. There's more to this. Hold on. Consequences, bad choices, games, mixed signals. This is a situation. I keep getting couple readings, yo. Nonetheless, this is a situation with two people where one is doing their damnness, doing their best. What does that even mean, doing their damnness? Is that, why did I say that? I feel like someone is feeling like I'd be damned if I let all of this be pulled from under my feet or be, you understand what I'm saying? I'd be damned if I let someone else fuck this up for me. I'm feeling like one person, one half is the more responsible half, put it that way. And just because that they're the more responsible half, it does not mean that they're the better half. You get what I'm saying? Meaning, it doesn't mean that, see, it gives the impression that because you're responsible, you believe that life is going to always be smooth sailing and it's not going to be any other obstacles because you won't allow that, because you won't allow yourself to engage with that other person to allow that, which is fine what I'm seeing. However, that person is still going to be that person. You could call it a test. You can call it playing games. You probably even think that this person is borderline psychotic, but I'm not saying you have to deal with them. You're dealing with them in some type of way anyway. Now, not exactly, because it's wild because you're running, but you feel like they're running from responsibility. So you feel justified in making your decision of, well, I'm out of here. I don't want nothing to do with this shit because it don't make sense to me. But what you're doing in all actuality is you're escaping. You're in denial. You're making excuses to not be in the relationship. And I'm not saying that you have to be forced into the relationship. I'm just saying it is what it is. How do you know you're not going to have the time of your life? Because why else would this hopeful card be out here after running and escaping and being in denial? You are hopeful. You are inspired. You are optimistic and you see success is underway. You may be experiencing it right now, and that gives more of the inclination of why you don't want to fuck things up. Because you see this person and they're kind of toxic, B. I'm just keeping it a bean. You see that match, the way that they holding it, they're like, yo, come on, let's make some bad choices. Let's play some games. I'm going to play mind games with you. I'm going to tell you I like you. Then I'm going to behave like I don't like you. Are you going to you're going to get off your square because I'm throwing a fit? Or you going to stand 10 toes and wait for me to come back? Or are you not confident that I'll come back? Are you afraid you're going to lose me? This person will go those lengths. But why? Because a lot of their dreams have been shattered, broken. And they look at you as being responsible. And they feel that you can, in some type of way, assist them in not having those dreams being shattered anymore. At least fulfilling one of them. Right? Because who to say you fucking Superman, you're going to fulfill all their obligations? Probably not. But one may be all that it takes. Now, see, the responsibility is so high for you, Libra, and y'all make the role switch if you got to flip it around, that you feel this is beyond you. You even feel like this is beneath you. You probably feel like, oh no, you could never sip a wine, or you could never, you know what I mean, take a tote of some weed, or eat a double cheeseburger from McDonald's. You could, because that's a bad decision, and you could get addicted, and you could. I just said this in the Virgo energy, like, you're taking life too serious. Now, this is going to give you some type of edge should you engage. I'm not telling you what to do. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get an advice card at the end. What I'm saying here is that, you know, what's that thing? It's like clout chasing. You know how they say all press is good press? And we're in a social media age now, so it's just like amplified. You could really get you can come up off of some controversy. And I'm feeling like even if this controversy is not like outlandish, just to get people talking about you in a type of way that creates a buzz, that creates some thrills, got the hot chicks after you and stuff like that, could actually do you some justice. Yes, people are going to be gossiping. They're going to be talking shit. They're going to be rumors spread about you. Yo, I heard he fuck with so-and-so. I heard she fuck with so-and-so. Yeah, the crazy one. The you know, the loudmouth one. You know, the one with the big tits. I don't know. You know what I mean? But some of that shit could actually assist you in this relationship. Now, again, this is very clear. If you running, you running. If you're escaping, you're escaping. If you're packing your bag, you putting it on the camper, and you're out, you're like, fuck this, van life, YOLO, dolo, I don't need nobody, then that's what it is. You are leaving all of this. Because these cards wouldn't come after hopeful if you wasn't willing to take the risk for success. Because you're not looking at it in an optimistic type of view. You understand what I'm saying? Optimistic means, yeah, there's going to be some continuous cycles. I just had a conversation the other night. We was like, yo, what the fuck are we doing here in life? Like this? And I was like, yo, we're just living in cycles. And like, you'll see them repeat. And you will ask yourself, like, what the fuck are we doing here? But so what? It's a simulation. It's a fucking game. She or he, however you want to say, wants to play some fucking games. Bad choices. What are those really? I'm not saying go to jail. I'm not saying, you understand what I'm saying? I'm not saying do no dumb shit. I'm saying to look at it with hopeful eyes and true optimistic, true genuinely optimistic eyes. Because what if you go down this road all by yourself with 100% surety of there won't be no bad decisions or there won't be no consequences down that road, and then you run into all kind of shit. And you could have just been with this crazy broad by your side, like, fuck it, at least I got somebody to ride this out, you know, and be happy with. I don't give a fuck who talks about us, you know what I'm saying? Some of the shit might even be true, you know? But are you denying these thrills? Are you denying that life is about cycles and patterns? Some of y'all, you know, I know it sounds smart to say, oh, we're going to break the cycle. We're going to break this pattern. Is that what we're really supposed to do? If so, why do we keep living life in cycles and patterns? Solar returns come every 10 years. They go to the same different houses every decade. And then they repeat the process over and over again. I'm telling you, I'm not bullshitting you. It's a pattern. It's a cycle. There's more, though. The Venus returns, they do the same thing, but in different years and different intervals. It's all patterns. It's all cycles. Break what cycle? Where are you going? Yeah, infinite being, where are you going? You're going to come right on back like a boomerang, baby. But let's get some tarot out here. I know I'm cooking. Because I feel it. If it don't apply, let it fly. This ain't your reading. 3 of Cups in reverse. Celebration is canceled. Why is that, do you think? I'm going to tell you in a minute. What else, Spirit? What else, Spirit? I mean, I kind of explained it already. You think people aren't worth your time right now. Probably for some time now. At least people who want to, you know, offer you some tempting looking thrills. And you're just like, what? But that's why the 3 of Cups is in reverse. You turning that down, like you're frowning your face at that, like what? But you're not understanding that going to that bar, maybe you don't got to drink. Maybe you could get the non-alcoholic Heineken and just sit there and parade like you're drinking. I've done this shit plenty of times, B. Plenty of times. See, 5 of Pentacles. If you were truly hopeful and optimistic about this, you wouldn't feel a lack of anything. And whatever lack that you're feeling, it's only temporary until you shift your energy and say, hey, this is a fucking game. I'll have more chips to play by tomorrow. 6 of Cups. I'm trying to tell you, you'll have more than enough chips to play the game. And the more that these cards are unfolding, the more that it goes this way towards the consequences of where this partner is that has shattered dreams. They're broken. They've had failures in their life. And they want to play games with you. Returning to one's roots with this 6 of Cups is giving me vibes of you've lost some part of your soul when you were a child and you think you're too grown and too mature and too responsible to engage in any of those childlike activities anymore. But I'm not talking about the ones of going to jail and going to the fucking strip joint and stripping with your bitches. I'm not talking about those. I'm just talking about regular having fun shit. Regular degular, like, yo, loosen up a bit, B. Those types of things. Smiling, laughing, going out on a date, go to a fucking baseball game, a fucking museum on a date or something you don't gotta break the bank. Be like, we going to Checkers, bitch. What the fuck is you talking about? Hold on before we get... Let me get an oracle card out here. Spirit, I want you to clarify, please. Can we clarify the intentions of this consequential partner? Why do they want to play games? Why are they sending mixed signals? I kind of touched on it. But what led them to the bad choices? Because I feel like that's their history. That's their rap sheet, kind of like. Even if it's in life and not in general, like in the prison, like. They faced consequences for some bad choices that they've made in the past, which prevented them from achieving some goals. So now they send mixed signals to the guy or the girl that they're trying to get with. Because they low-key don't know if they're worthy. Autumn. Autumn is a great time because you get to enjoy the fruits of the labor. And this is what I'm saying. If you keep running, yeah, you can enjoy it by yourself, but you know that's not how it goes. Look, this is a Libra card, yo. This is not out here for no reason. It's just not how it goes. You get the gold and you do what with it? You go run away with it? What are you going to bury it? You're going to go be a monk now? What's the point? And you might not even have all of the gold. You might have enough. Of course, you want to go do your van life or whatever that looks like. But I asked for clarification of what this person wants a partner. What's the intent? Their intent is to partner up and enjoy and share with someone. Again, I'm not saying you have to do it, but I am going to get some advice. Spirit, what advice do you have for the Libra energy, Libra collective, Libras? What advice do we have out here? I'm sounding like I'm instigating, right? I'm a bad influence. You can hear it in my tone, but that's why I'm asking for advice. Spirit, seriously, what's the advice? Queen of Wands, my hooker is out here. Uh-oh. You already know, and it's upright. In the Queen of Pentacles, followed by the Queen of Pentacles. Look. There's prosperity involved here. There's responsibility involved here. I feel like you're the Queen of Pentacles and the partner is the Queen of Wands. I'm just keeping it a beam because it's fire on top of fire. They got the matchsticks over here. The Queen of Wands is over here with the fire. I don't think that this person is a slouch. You understand what I'm saying? I feel like they got great potential. It just been squandered. You know how, y'all know how it be when it be like, oh, I just got with a fuck boy. Chicks, y'all know how it is, right? And niggas, we be the same way. I can't believe I wasted time with that broad. You know what I'm saying? And it's like squandered potential. But that person has good foresight. They're magnetic as fuck. If that means something to you, if you feel you could do something with that. And you have the responsibility to handle their, I would say, just off tilt behavior. It doesn't matter because you have enough stability for the both of you is what I'm seeing. Very business savvy. You're a nurturer. And you're already concerned with the welfare of others with this advice out here. Abundance is coming to you because you are responsible. So you're going to have what it takes to nurture others and be concerned about the welfare of others. But if you do this, you're in denial, truly. You're making excuses for being the person that you could and should be. Just keeping it a bean. If I felt otherwise, if I said, yo, run away from this other person as fast as you can, I'd have said it. I'm not saying that. And these two advisory cards out here are definitely not saying that. You run, you are really escaping, you are truly in denial, and you're making excuses for yourself. Till next time, I'm out. Come on, man. Take me out of here.